Hi my lovely viewers, this is Salwa2 Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Oracle database in Windows 11. For this case we have to go to the browsing side. Then we have to write the Oracle Express Edition download. Then go to this site. And then I have to download the Windows 64 because of my Windows 65. So click here. It is downloading. So see, it has done. Now we will extract this. Extract. It is going on. See, it has done. Now here the setup application exe file. Then it will work with the wizard file. So yes, it is preparing to install. Press the next button. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. If you want to give the any kinds of password systems system like this, I will press the system SYSTEM system. Next, install is going on. Now it has finished. Now go to this search option and write the SQL. STEM, and the password also have given the SYSCTEM systems. See, it is totally connected to Oracle database 21C Express Edition, which is something production version this. And the last successful login time is this. So now we wanna create the table. CREAT, create table Ayesha. Sorry, we have to also give in the column name bracket. Sorry, we have given the number and the bracket. Sorry, name is character. Worker. Comma. Then ID space. It will give a number. Will give the number bracket and the close bracket also number 5. Sorry, we have to give the semicolon. See, the table has been created. Now check the table has been created or not. DESC. Table name is Ayesha. Semicolon. See, the table has been seen in this CMD mode option. So thank you so much. Today we learn how to download and install Oracle databases in our Windows 11. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.